Hi, my Bibbies. Welcome back. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Bibbs and I am your host for today. Today I wanted to do something a little extra. I wanted to do a little pop and eye, a little something date night, romantic, or something with your girls, vacation. So I wanted to do a bold eye and a very neutral lip. And yeah, I'm really feeling the look. I did a little inner corner. But wait, if you want to see this and how I got this look, just keep watching. Just keep watching, sis. Keep watching. Keep watching. So today I wanted to do something a little different. Last time we worked on something that's more neutral and natural. And I think this time I kind of want to have a little fun, a little pop of color. So the highlight products are eyeshadows that I want to use today to give us a little pop of color. It's going to be from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Jackie Aina palette. Check it. Like, if you don't follow Jackie Aina, like, you need to be. Like, she's a boss. Like, she's amazing. I love her energy, her personality. She's a woman of God. Like, she's just amazing. So if you're not following her, go ahead and follow her on YouTube. Follow her on Instagram, Twitter. She's on it all. She's amazing. And she also does very good, honest reviews on different products. But anyways, this is about her palette. I'm going to mainly focus on the color Big Wig, which is going to be this color right here. And then I'm also going to be working with this color called Shookington, which is another one, kind of like being shook. So I'm going to try those two colors, and we're going to do a look with that and kind of see what we get. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this party started. I'm going to go in and prime my eyes with this NYX eyeshadow base. It is in the color EBS01. If you have anything that is a white or translucent look for your base for your eyeshadow, go ahead and use it. So I look crazy, but that's okay. I'm primed and I am ready. So I'm gonna start off with two colors, translucent colors that I always use by MAC, which is gonna be Saddle and Swiss Chocolate to give my transition for my eyeshadow. I'm just gonna go in with a tapered blending brush, and I'm gonna start off with Saddle first. And you're basically just gonna go so as you can see, I kind of got that transition from my eyebrow to the highlight to the transition color. Now I'm gonna go in with my Swiss Chocolate by MAC, and I'm basically gonna put this color underneath my transition color, Saddle, knocking stuff over right there. So now I'm gonna go in with some color. So I think what I want to do is put down Big Wig first, which is the purple of the colors, that right there. I want to put that down first because I really want that color to like stand out. So yes, we have an eyeshadow base. Yes, the color will adhere to that. But what I like to do, and Jackie Aina's palette is very pigmented. If I just gently rub my finger in there, you can see that there's a lot of product on there. Like, it's a lot of product. So, I mean, I really don't need a whole lot of stuff, but I always like to spray my brushes. And basically you just kind of, this is also the MAC Prep and Prime Coconut, my fave. And I'm just gonna mist it just to give it a little moisture. And then I'm going to take the brush into Big Wig. I'm just gonna start patting it on my eye. There we go. And get some of that purple. I just want to build it up because I do want it to be a little little bold because that's the look that I'm going for today. It's a bolded look. There we go. And you're just gonna keep building it until you like it. Now I'm gonna go to the other eye. I'm always dropping stuff. And this color is so pretty. So I have both of the color, I have the purple on both of my lids. So next I'm gonna go in with a kind of a similar same brush as this all over eyeshadow brush that I just used for this color, but the more glittery color, the Shookington. I'm gonna use this brush for that. I mean, look at all that product. And I'm just gonna stack it on top. Ooh, yes, ma'am. Honey, yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. This is absolutely gorgeous. And I'm gonna do the whole lid. I didn't think I was, but I'm gonna do the entire lid with this color. And you can bring it up like a little bit into your crease transition area. Fancy. So then I'm gonna go in with the color called Embark by MAC. It's not in the palette, it's something totally different. I'm gonna go in with a flat, fluffy, kind of angled brush. Kind of looks like that. And I'm gonna take Embark and I'm just gonna do it very lightly because it is a darker color, but I do want to get in, kind of make it a little more romantic, a little more smoky. So what I do is I take it to the corner of my eye and I make a V. So kind of do a little something like that. And then the other part right here, it's all about blending. And this is just to give you some depth. Yeah, just gonna go. And then you're gonna go, sorry, to the other side and do the same thing. And you want to make sure that they look the same. So this side is a little darker than this side. So that means we need to put a little more product on this side so that they match. If you didn't mean to go this dark and you want it to be more like this, you could take your transitioning color, and kind of lighten it out a little bit. Or you may have to get a Q-tip and remove some of the product and then reapply and blend it out. But I want it to be a little more smoky, so definitely cool with it. So now I'm gonna go back in with my transition brush that I used my saddle and Swiss chocolate on, and I'm gonna actually just go in and just go blending crazy in my crease area, my transition area, so that there's no harsh lines and that it's seamless. And like I said in my last video blending is key with eyeshadow. And, you know, blending can make or break a look if it's not blended properly. And I'm just taking my finger to kind of blend things out even more so there's no harsh lines. But I'm gonna go back basically on top of the eyeshadow and put some more of that Shookington because I love it. It's beautiful. I'm just gonna put like a little bit just because I want, yes, baby. I love it, I love it, I love it. So I can pop. Oh, that's so pretty. Yeah. I'm just patting it on. Give it a little pop. So just like that. Bam, bam, boom. Got your hair together. Got your eyes popping. You are ready for date night with bae. You are ready for vacation. You are ready for anything. Like, I love it. I love how it came out. It's just popping. My eyes like got out big, up close, but they're just popping. I really like this look. I really, really like this look. So if you enjoyed this look and doing this with me, thank you. But also go down below and comment. Comment how the process was. What products did you use that I didn't use? And what would you like to see on next time? Also like this video, subscribe to my channel, and to follow me on Instagram at Bibbs Beauty. And that is B-I-B-B-S for Bibbs Beauty, B-E-A-U-T-Y. Bibbs Beauty. So follow me. I really enjoy doing these videos, and thank you for spending time with me. And tag me. I want to see what it looks like when you recreated this look. What does it look like? How does it look? Let me know. I want to know. I want to know. But I love you guys, and I hope you guys have a blessed week, and I'll see you next time.